Hi, I wanted to take a second to show you how we would do our daily science practice each day. These are going to be found in Canvas, and it's important that you're able to navigate Canvas this year because we're going to be using it on a consistent basis. Each night you'll have a question that I'd like you to answer. So I'm going to take you through those steps right now, and if you have any questions, email me or ask me in class if you're missing class today because we need to know how to do this and how to navigate this site and do a good job with it. So we're going to do a sample problem today for our daily science practice. These will deal more with science as the year goes on, but the practice problem is just a fun one for today. So what I'd like you to do is go to your dashboard in Canvas after you sign in, click on 7C Science. In 7C Science, if you go to your calendar, and this will populate more classes than just science. But for today, Tuesday, September 1st, you click on Science, you click on today's agenda, and this is a rundown of everything that we've done in class. So what we'll always have is we'll have a classroom bathroom sign out. So if you need to go to the bathroom during class, you'll click this link and you'll fill out your first name, your last name, and you will find me for a blue pass. And this will timestamp when you went to the bathroom. Also, we'll have the objective. Today, you're going to be introduced to me, Mr. Cheezick, and learn about Badger Pride. But down at the bottom, the after hours work where it says daily science practice, each day you'll have a question that I'm expecting you to answer at the end of the day. Or I'm sorry, at the end, not at the end of the day, but as homework at night. And they're going to take between probably 1 and 3 minutes. So all you have to do is click on daily science practice. That will take you to a quiz where it's going to be very quick. So when you look at today's quiz question or daily science practice, it says, look at the image below. What do you see first? And I'm just going to say that I saw the old woman. And I submit my quiz. You get immediate feedback in most of these. If you scroll down, because I chose the old woman, okay, because I saw her first in the picture, it indicates that I'm a more experienced person and tend to think critically and see things from all angles. In a normal day, each one of these are correct answers. Sometimes, most of the time, there will be a correct answer and several incorrect answers. And then what we'll be able to do is look at what percentage of each of you in the class answered what question. And if there's misconceptions about something we're learning, we can go over that the next day to begin class. I'll have a good idea as long as you do your 1 to 3 minute daily science practice each night. That will deal with something that we learned in that day's class. We can come back and we can discuss misconceptions the next day. I'm going to try my best to make this be the homework that you have each night, and I'm going to try to be as consistent as possible. So if you have any questions when you come back to school, please ask me. These are pretty easy to navigate. They won't take long, and I think they'll be very helpful for us to become better learners in science.